Welcome back to our channel, and today we will show you how we face paint
a fox.
Yes. We're going to start with white. Those vertical lines for the ears, and then under the nose. Alright, and a little bit on the cheeks.
And do lipstick.
Yes, we do lipstick at the end. Next will be orange.
This looks like a mustache.
Yeah, it does look like a mustache. For the ears, the nose. The next step will be black. We'll start with ears.
Yes.
Yeah. Give fox eyes. And
Is that the eyelashes?
it's almost like eyelashes here.
It looks like eyelashes because I think it looks like eyelashes. I like it when it is eyelashes.
Yeah. And then here we're gonna do fur like brush strokes. Okay, going back and forth.
Up and down.
Yes. Da, 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 da.
Don't forget about the lipstick in the end.
Yes, lipstick at the end. We can clean up a little bit with Q-tip and some water. So it looks perfect. Fox has little cute teeth here. Pink for the lipstick. Glitter. I like to add couple dots on the cheeks at the end. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. Little highlights for the hair maybe. Here and there. And the very last step will be the nose. So we can add a cute little nose. Oh, so adorable. Would you like some glitter on it? Like this sparkly glitter?
Yes.
Alright, awesome. Close your eyes, please. And this is fine glitter that sticks to the wet paint. And our fox is ready. Oh, what do you think? You like it? If you like this video, please give us thumbs up and subscribe. Thank you. Bye.